Up in Whatcom County near Bellingham, you can find some world-famous berries. Andy Enfield is the co-CEO of Enfield Farms, where they're growing these delicious red raspberries for the frozen food aisle. Raspberries, do you love them? You hate them? What's your favorite way to do it?
I love them. I enjoy them all different ways. Right off the bush. I enjoy it frozen. Any way you can think of.
Any way you can think of, right? In order to process his berries, Andy works with Andgar Food Processing to design and manufacture equipment for his facility.
We do strawberries, blackberries. We work in the fishing industries, a little bit in the carrots.
Dean Vanderhook is the design and technical supervisor for Andgar. He works with clients like Enfield Farms to design equipment that solves particular problems.
If we get a call and a customer has an idea or a piece of equipment, we start, visit this processing plant and go take a look and see if we can help them out.
Well, we've been working with Andgar for as long as I can remember, probably 30 years. They help us a lot in the processing plant, coming up with solutions to challenges or problems that we have.
It's difficult to get workers, so some of the equipment that we build helps them out.
They've helped us reduce labor, take out some of the jobs that require a lot of heavy lifting and manual labor.
They're able to process more berries per hour with less labor and a lot easier on the individual that's working for them.
Now, Andy's taking me through his processing facility where they're taking fresh raspberries and quick freezing them. You brought me to where it all begins, so tell me about it. What are we looking at?
We're right in front of the max cooler. We'll go through here, try to get that field heat out because the fruit's gonna be at ambient temperature. So if it's 80 degrees, the fruit's gonna be about 80 degrees. We gotta get it cooled down fast.
The fruit comes in from the fields on flats that are stacked, emptied, then washed in systems designed by Andgar.
Andgar built these dumpers with the crane where we're grabbing a whole stack of berries. Prior to this setup, we were dumping everything by hand.
The berries then get scanned and moved on to be cleaned. Wow!
Yeah, they go under a magnet, we go through an air cleaner, and then onto a sorter.
What's in here?
This is an IQF tunnel.
Oh!
So we're freezing the berries in here.
Okay. So what would happen if you didn't have Andgar in this process with you?
I don't know. I don't like to think about that. We wouldn't be able to do what we're doing without Andgar.
The growers around here in processor have been great to work with.
A lot of times if I have an idea, then we kind of go back and forth and come up with something.
Sounds like it's a true collaboration.
It is.
We couldn't really do what we're doing if we're not in this area. This area is absolutely great for growing raspberries.
It's a fantastic climate. We got the sandy loam soils and we got the maritime climate, so cool nights, warm days. We love raspberries and we try to grow the best raspberries we can, and it feels good to give them to people and see them enjoy them.
If there's an issue or there's a problem or there's something that can be solved and Andgar, our team, can come up with a solution, I love to do it. It's a lot of fun.